Hello my dear friends, this is a PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. On my Patrion you can find a lot of sketches. It's very helping if we're learning techniques, how to paint with watercolor, acrylic or oil. You can print any sketch you like, and after you have to know how to transfer. I have here butterfly, it's on a print paper, and I have piece of good quality watercolor paper. Take your pencil, turn printed sketch and cover it with pencil. I have here big sized paper because I'm transferring a lot, and after you have to put your sketch on good quality piece of paper, fix it with a tape, and now you just have to follow all lines with pen. I like to do it with a color pen because it's just more visible what lines I already did. Most effective time to learn how to paint it's first hour from the start. When you're using ready sketch, you just transferring it. That means you will spend the most effective time exactly on painting, not just on the drawing of your sketches. Let's take a look. All lines are visible enough. If you have to, you can make some lines more visible with your pen or fix with knitted rubber. The whole process taking just 3 minutes, and we're ready to work with color. Join me on my YouTube channel, follow me on Patreon for more interesting sketches and tutorials. It was a PaintyKat, and I wish you all the best.